No. The real advantage of delivering the framing of your project with the Build Smart system is that any challenges, any edits that you would need to sort through, you sort through in the shop drawing process. So you really, kind of go over the building with an architectural fine comb before the panels are delivered. So instead of discovering those problems later, you discover them prior to the manufacturing process. So really what's on the page is what you get when the panels are delivered. And then the second thing I would say is that let's imagine you did discover, or an owner-driven change occurred and you wanted to sort of edit these panels. To a great degree, you can edit these panels because they're manufactured, really they're framed in pretty typical stick framing, advanced framing fashion. So unlike a structural insulated panel, something that's really from the factory and for the rest of its life cannot be edited, this system can be edited. You can modify it. You can, with the right approvals from the right, architects and engineers, you can make a change like that after you've got the product in the field. So really has advantages on both ends. It is exactly what you ordered and what you drew up, but it has the editability to adapt both in the construction phase and later in the ownership phase if you decide you want to make a change to your building.